What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're reviewing some tools. This is a cool little light, but it rolls away. They gave me the stool too. I think I broke it. So as you can tell from the intro, there's a couple things that we're reviewing. We're reviewing a mechanic stool and a detailing cart, as well as a flashlight. I'm gonna start with the flashlight real quick, just because it's gonna be quick and dirty. This is magnetic, both sides are magnetic, and it's a great concept, but as you can tell from the intro, if this drops, it will roll away. The concept is good, it is rechargeable, it's got two different modes. And the battery life is about 8 hours. Being a Porsche technician, we don't have a lot of stuff that's ferrous or magnetic, making this kind of a little bit difficult to use. I basically just use it to I wedge this in places and then I stick it on there and I use it. Everybody needs flashlights, right? But the real thing that they asked me to review is a detailing cart. This detailing cart. But before we get into the specifics of this video, the company's name is MYCHANIC, mechanics making tools for mechanics, by mechanics, that sort of thing. This detailing cart, from what I have been told, is pretty legit. Now, they advertise the seat cushion coming off. This cushion has some texture to it. It's really kind of stiff. Our detailing guy David said that if you are kneeling on it for too long, I mean, he said he was kneeling on it for about 20 minutes, it hurts your knees, and the cushion itself is really stiff, and this will actually leave indents in your knees. I mean, completely understand the need to put your brand name on there, of course, but this could definitely be made a little bit softer, maybe take away this this texture, and then that would work great. The cup holder on the side, he doesn't use it for a cup holder. He uses it to hold his detailing products, which is pretty smart. The only thing that he said that he would enjoy is if there was a few more slots, and if this wasn't plastic. I could see this breaking off in one solid shin check. So if this was metal, that would be really good. Aside from that, it's made of really heavy steel, not so heavy that it's cumbersome, but the casters are some of the best casters or wheels that we've experienced in, I don't know, a long time. As you can see with my mechanic stool that I've been using, it rolls over just about anything. As far as the handles, these handles on the side, they're a little bit flimsy. When I say flimsy, I mean they're a little flimsy. But aside from that, it's really a great product. Here's mine. You've got your cup holder and your socket tray. Let's compare it to the competition that I will leave unnamed. This thing, it's got a drawer, but no socket organizer. Bunch of barbarians. This one does have a socket organizer. Does this one have a cup holder? No. This one does have a cup holder. for your not light beer. Let's see if this one rolls over zip ties as well as this one does. All right. Got our zip ties set up. I will give it the cushy seat. This one does have a cushy seat. Hey, we got some bigger zip ties. The mechanic Stool's arch nemesis. Zip ties. Really big zip ties. Alright, you see them, they're on the ground right there, alright? Alright, that was expected. Now let's go for the MYCHANIC Stool. Same zip ties. Alright, I'm not gonna look, I'm just gonna do it. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah, right, the little end piece.
Yeah, you may have hit that.
This one's better, I don't care what you say. Overall, I'd say quality products. To the guys at MYCHANIC, thank you very much, I appreciate it. I definitely use these things every single day. Love my rolly stool. I needed it for the computer and, well, because I didn't have one, so works out perfectly. To the rest of you guys, if you haven't hit the like button yet, make sure you smash that. Leave your comments in the section below. Smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get notified. In case you're wondering, that is a racing yellow GT4, which is the Cayman, and this is a Cayenne twin turbo that I'm fixing the rear main seal and installing a turbo on. So before I go, I'm gonna leave you guys with the unboxing and a time lapse of the assembly of the MYCHANIC detailing rig. Later.
Watch that too late.
No, I'm about to head out.
Cool.
There's
ready for like me?
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah, this is all you, bud. So that also comes off if you need it.
For like your knees and stuff?
Yeah.
Dude, sick.
You got your not beer holder,
Okay.
and then this whole thing comes out.
Does this come off of it too?
Yup.
Damn. Cool. What is that even like for good cost? Like 150, 160?
I think it's like $100. It's actually pretty heavy.
Really?
Too. It's
Nice.
like good quality, solid stuff.
Sick.
Hell yeah, dude.